Hello, business owners. Every day, we juggle so many responsibilities, renewing business licenses, remembering GST due dates, paying insurance, and managing so much more. But with all this hustle, it's easy to forget something important, and that usually means last-minute stress or even a penalty. In this video, I'll show you a simple, free solution using tools you already have: Google Calendar and Google Drive. With just one-time setup, you'll never miss a deadline again, and your business will run a lot smoother. Let's begin. Once you are logged into your Google account, click on the waffle icon, that's the grid at the top right. Select Google Calendar. Most people think calendar is just for meetings, but it's also a powerful task manager. Now, let's create a task. Let's say I want to set a reminder for my vehicle insurance. I type the car number, and I know the due date is 26th December 2025. But I want to be reminded 10 days before, so I'll set it for 16th December 2025 at 10 a.m. when I usually start my office day. I'll also set it to repeat every year, so I never have to do this again. Now, let's attach the document for quick access. Open Google Drive, create a folder, for example, Vehicle Documents, and upload the insurance file. It could be a PDF, JPG, anything. Once uploaded, right-click on the file, choose Share, and copy the link. Now go back to the task in Google Calendar and paste the link into the task description. Done. Your reminder is now ready. When the date comes, you'll get a notification right on your mobile or desktop, as long as you are logged into your Google account. You can click the link, view the document, and once the task is done, just mark it as completed. And the best part, since it repeats annually, next year you'll get reminded again automatically. So, instead of investing in expensive task management or CRM software, just use this simple, free method. Even if your accounting software like Tally Prime or other platforms don't offer reminders, you and your team can still manage everything using just your email account and Google tools. Try it and keep your office tasks organized, stress-free, and under control. Thanks for watching.